How to get prescribed Xanax. You may have heard Xanax is a good drug to use for anxiety and other disorders. That much is true. However, most doctors will not readily hand out prescriptions for this drug because it does come with some problems. Therefore, you will need to convince your doctor that you actually need the drug, mainly by showing that you have an anxiety disorder. Talking to your doctor or psychiatrist. Talk to your regular doctor about your anxiety. Sometimes anxiety can actually be a symptom of some other illness. Therefore, your doctor should check you out first. For instance, psychological symptoms can be a symptom of a neurological problem. They can also be the result of a medication you're taking. Describe your symptoms thoroughly. Though it may be embarrassing to you to talk about how pervasive your anxiety is, your doctor needs to know the full extent of the problem. In fact, it might be helpful if you keep a journal of when you are having negative thoughts and the results, such as it stopped you from enjoying the moment or from going on an outing. Ask about a psychiatrist. Once your regular doctor checks you out, she will often recommend you see a psychiatrist, since psychiatrists are more qualified to prescribe psychiatric drugs. Therefore, if your doctor doesn't make a recommendation, ask about seeing a psychiatrist. Describe your symptoms to the psychiatrist. Like you did with your regular doctor, you'll need to describe your symptoms thoroughly. You'll also need to be able to talk about their effect on your life. You need to be comfortable enough to talk freely about your symptoms. If the psychiatrist you see at first is not a good fit, don't be afraid to find another one. 5. Ask for a prescription. You need to approach this topic delicately, since the doctor may become suspicious if she thinks you came in just to get this medication. As noted, Xanax is often abused. However, it doesn't hurt to ask for what you want. For instance, you could say, "I've heard Xanax and other drugs like it can help with anxiety. Would that be an option for me?" Never lead with this question with any doctor. Talk about your problems first, to help establish that you really do need it. Ask about Xanax as a sleep aid. Another option is to ask for Xanax as a sleep aid in relation to anxiety. Some people take a very small dose before bedtime to help them sleep. Once again, never lead with a request for the prescription. First, describe how you have trouble sleeping due to racing thoughts or anxiety, then move on to asking if Xanax could be a possible solution.